you see this fruit cake recipe, it will become your best cake ever. After trying out this recipe, you will practically bake it every time. So hang on there, let me show you how to bake this yummy cake in this video. This is our ingredients. You'll be needing your butter, your flour, your cinnamon, nutmeg, your meat spice, your flavor, your baking powder, your meat fruit, your eggs for this recipe. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamy. Here I teach you a whole lot of things about baking. Like I teach you undiluted, straight from the oven, from the bottom of my heart. I leave no stones unturned when I'm teaching, so you are the right place. Just help me and hit the subscribe button. Subscription is absolutely free, so feel free to join the family. You're welcome. Subscription is free, and drop a comment for me in the comment section. You're going to start by creaming your butter. You're going to cream your butter, only your butter, for like 5 minutes before you introduce your sugar. Yes, so once you introduce your sugar, you start your creaming. You can cream without a mixer. You use your spatula or your tonigari to cream your cake also if you do not have a mixer. So you're going to cream till your butter is looking pale white, like off white, and it can easily drop from the spoon. That's when to know that your butter is actually ready. So go ahead and cream your butter till you see that it's off white and it can easily drop off the spatula or the turner you're using. There is something about fruit cakes, like they're just perfect for anybody, like everybody, children, adults, even elderly people. And I love it for my Christmas hampers and everything. Whenever I'm baking for Christmas, I include my fruit cake because literally everybody loves fruit cake. And when you soak your fruit for a long time, it's going to take your fruit cake test from 1 to 100. Like soaking your fruit for a very long time, like the one I'm using in this video, I've soaked it for like 1 year. Yes, and the taste of this fruit cake, I'm not actually a big fan of fruit cake, but this particular one, I ate it and left no crumbs. Seriously, I didn't know that I've been missing out all along. Like, you should try this recipe. You will love it, especially with the combination of different spices I did here. You're going to love this recipe. You should try it out. You should really try it out. So I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together, and I'm going to mix in the dry fruits into the flour, because the reason you are going to do that is so the fruit doesn't sink to the bottom of the cake. Yes, if you don't want your fruit to sink to the bottom of the cake, like it won't circulate around the cake very well, you should mix it together with your flour before adding it into your batter. If you just pour it directly, there's every possibility that the fruit will just go to one side of the cake, like the bottom side, and go and stay there. It won't go around the cake. We're actually done mixing our cake. The aroma from this cake, oh my god, it smells so good. The combination of flavors, the combination of spices, everything came out to play. Like, this fruit cake has joined the list of my favorite cakes. Seriously, I will be baking it more often because I love it. I never knew this how fruit cake, like, I bake it though, but I don't really like it. But this particular one, there's something about it. Seriously. Like, you can go ahead and put the toppings you want. You can put your orange, cashew nuts, almond nuts, whichever toppings you want. Just put your toppings. And a reminder, have you clicked the subscribe button? You're welcome to join the family. Click the subscription button and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Our cake is ready. We actually stayed in the oven for a long time, hence it's looking like this. So we're going to cut it and enjoy our cake. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to Bake with Exotic Creamy. Bye for now.